Online arbitration platforms versus court litigation. Which one is better for international dispute resolution? You won't believe how much time and money traditional courts can consume in cross-border disputes. Most companies assume litigation is the default, but online arbitration platforms are quickly becoming the preferred solution for international dispute resolution. Online arbitration platforms provide virtual hearings, document submission, and case management entirely online. They offer flexibility in scheduling, faster decisions, and often lower costs compared to courts. For instance, a multinational contract dispute can be resolved through an online platform in weeks instead of months, with arbitrators experienced in the relevant law and jurisdiction. Confidentiality is also enhanced, which is critical for sensitive commercial matters. Court litigation, by contrast, is slower, more formal, and often bound by local procedural rules. International disputes may involve multiple courts, translations, and conflicting legal systems, significantly increasing time and expense. While courts provide binding enforcement and established procedures, they can be cumbersome for businesses seeking efficiency. The key difference is speed and flexibility versus formal authority. Online arbitration is ideal for parties wanting fast, enforceable outcomes without navigating complex local courts. Traditional litigation is best for high-stakes cases where precedent, public record, or legal enforcement is critical. Many businesses now combine strategies: arbitration for efficiency, litigation for strategic leverage if needed. The takeaway is clear: for international disputes, online arbitration platforms often offer faster, cost-effective, and confidential resolution. The surprising truth is that courts are not always the most practical solution in today's global business environment. Leveraging arbitration technology allows companies to resolve conflicts efficiently while preserving resources and maintaining enforceable outcomes.